Are you tired of breakouts, dull skin, pigmentation issues? Then you better get your skincare on. I got the basics for you. Hello there, my name is Daniela, aka D. I make videos about being your best self and living your best life. New videos every week. In this video, I'm going over the steps that you need to take to create an effective skincare routine. Firstly, let's talk about the skin. I got a few interesting facts that I'd like to share. The skin is the largest organ that we have. 300 million cells regenerate on a daily basis. Skin is its thickest on your feet, 1.4 millimeters, and thinnest on your eyelids, 0.2 millimeters. The skin renews itself every single 28 days. And lastly, your skin is home to more than 1,000 species of bacteria. Our skin is made up of 3 main layers. The epidermis, which is the outer layer of the skin which provides a waterproof barrier and contains the pigment or color of our skin. The dermis, beneath the epidermis, contains tough connective tissue, hair follicles, and sweat glands. The hypodermis, which is the layer beneath the dermis, is made of fat, connective tissue, and blood vessels. The reason I mention this is because it can help you to understand where some skin issues stem from and also how some ingredients or products can have an effect on your skin. When creating your skincare routine, you want to keep in mind what your skin type is. There are 4 different skin types and also sensitive skin. Heads up, you will hear the word sebum a few times. What is sebum? Sebum is a light yellow, oily, waxy substance that is secreted by the sweat glands that help to keep the skin and hair moisturized. Normal skin. This is skin that is well balanced, meaning it's not too dry or too oily. There are no or few imperfections and blemishes, no severe sensitivity, barely any visible pores, a radiant complexion, good blood circulation, and a velvety, smooth, and soft texture. Oily skin. Oily skin has a heightened sebum production, meaning it produces more sebum than necessary. Now, people with oily skin will have enlarged pores, a shiny, thick complexion, and they are more prone to acne or other blemishes. Dry skin. Dry skin produces less sebum than normal skin and also lacks lipids, which are fats. Now, with dry skin, you can have almost invisible pores, a dull, rough complexion, red patches. Your skin is less has less elasticity, and more visible lines. Combination skin. Combination skin is skin that has multiple skin types at the same time. So you can have a oily T-zone, which is your forehead, nose, and chin area, like I do, and you can have enlarged pores in the areas, which can have some impurities as well. You can be prone to blackheads, a shiny skin, and normal to dry cheeks. Sensitive skin. That is skin that is easily irritated by different factors that are generally well tolerated by well-balanced skin or normal skin. So this can be redness, itchiness, dryness, roughness, flaking, swelling, anything along those lines, because of how your skin will react to products that you use. No matter what your skin type is, you want to make sure that you are doing the basics, which is cleanse, tone, moisturize, and protect. Now, what products you choose to use is going to be depending on your skin type and your specific skin concerns. These products or items can be DIY or store-bought, whatever works for you and your budget, of course. Let me know down in the comments below if you want to see a video about DIY skincare. Step number 1, you want to cleanse. Cleansing is basically cleaning your skin. The reason you want to do this is because you want to remove any dead skin cells, makeup, oils, or dirt on your skin. You want to aim to cleanse the face at least twice a day. If you exercise and you're sweating a lot and things like that, you want to do a cleanse after that workout as well. Step number 2, tone. This is basically helping to balance the skin. Now, toning is a bit controversial because some people are saying yes, you should tone, some people are saying no, you shouldn't tone, but overall I think that toning can help your skin as well, give it a natural glow, but it is essentially an extra shot of nutrients, and it helps other products in your regime to absorb better. You want to do this after cleansing, as it can help to remove whatever dirt, makeup, or oil that wasn't fully taken off after you cleanse. This can be done in the AM and PM. Step number 3, moisturize. This is hydrating and softening the skin for the morning and the evening. In the morning, you want to do it before the SPF, and in the evening, you want to do it as the last step before you go to bed. Step number 4, protect. This is all sunscreen, or SPF. Sunscreen helps to prevent premature aging and discoloration of the skin. It also helps with preventing the chances of skin cancer. SPF is the last step that you want to do in your morning routine after cleansing. Now, the factor that you use depends on your skin, but I would recommend a factor 30 or 50 because they kind of work the same. There are some extra steps that you might want to include in your skincare routine, like masks, serums, and exfoliation. The use of exfoliators should be limited to a few days a week or as and when needed. I would personally recommend to start off with the basics, especially if this is your first time around doing a skincare routine. Even doing the bare minimum can make a difference to your skin, so don't sleep on the basics. Once you get into the habit of doing your skincare routine consistently, you can think of adding more steps or products to your routine. I would also say don't forget to drink enough water, manage your stress as best as you can, and get enough rest. Please like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. On the side here, or here, still don't know, you can find more of my videos. Thanks for watching, and please remember, you are loved and you are blessed. Bye. Last one, and you are going to smash it.